In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to paste in place in Figma. Pasting in place is a simple technique that lets you copy a layer from one frame and drop it into another frame in the exact same position. This is especially handy when you're working on multiple screens in a design system and want consistent placement without eyeballing alignment. Start by opening your browser and heading to figma.com. Sign in if you need to, and once you're on the home screen, open the area where your work lives by selecting all projects. This brings up your files so you can quickly get to the design you want to edit. Open the project you want to work on. When the canvas loads, locate the first frame where the original object lives. If you're new to Figma, frames are like artboards. They contain everything for a single screen or state. Click the shape or layer you want to move. Make sure you actually have the layer selected in the canvas or in the layers panel and not the entire frame or a group, so you copy exactly what you intend. With that layer selected, copy it using your keyboard. On Windows, press Ctrl+C. On a Mac, press Command+C. You won't see anything change visually yet, but the object is now on your clipboard and ready to paste. Next, click the second frame where you want that object to appear. It's important to select the frame itself before you paste. Selecting the frame tells Figma where to place the object, and it helps ensure it lands in the correct position relative to that frame. If you accidentally have a different layer or group selected, your paste might go inside that group or show up offset. Now paste. On Windows, press Ctrl+V. On a Mac, press Command+V. The layer should appear in the same spot within the second frame as it was in the first frame, effectively giving you a paste-in-place result. If the frames are the same size and layout, it will look identical between them. If something looks slightly off, double-check that the destination frame was selected before pasting and that both frames share the same dimensions and constraints. A couple of quick tips as you work. Zoom in to confirm alignment if you're working with precise UI elements, and keep an eye on the Layers panel to verify where the pasted layer landed. If needed, nudge with your arrow keys after pasting for small adjustments, but in most cases, this method gets you perfect placement right away. And that's it. You've just pasted in place in Figma quickly and cleanly without manual repositioning.